Welcome to 5-minute videos with BJ's Garage. Yo, what's up, YouTube? We're back again. We're back again with another install video until we have my Civic back on the road, looking Gucci again. Today's video is not sponsored, just in case. Just a car guy trying to help out another car guy. Yes, you're watching this video. But since I'm helping you out with this, I want you to help me out by hitting that like button and that subscribe button. I'm not going to continue the video until you do those two things. So we either sleep here or we watch at each other. Now we watch at each other, we look at each other, or we're going to do a staring contest. If you don't blink, I don't blink. And if I win, you got to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. If you win, then you don't got to do either of those. What we got is the Red Tiger F17 dash cam. This has front view, in-cabin view, and the rear view camera. No sponsored. I have it on my daily, and this thing, Gucci. It comes with a 64GB memory card, so you don't gotta buy one, which is good. And I bought it with this hardwire kit for that way I can have 24 hours recording, just in case they tap the car or whatever when it's parked. It'll record for like 20 seconds to a minute, I think it is. All we gotta do is just open this up. Here we have everything. Instructions, the manual, starter kit, whatever, their thing. This, I use it to put it over here. That way when I stick the camera on, I don't have to stick it straight to my window. Here is the camera. That's the inside camera, and this is the outside for the front. And then over somewhere in here we have the rear camera. Oh, this is the thing that connects to this one, and we stick it up there. I'm gonna guide you guys through this. Oh, here's the rear one with this long ass cable. So what I like to do first, I like to put these two together, that top piece and the main camera on, and then I put it over here and I start like moving it around to see where exactly I want to put it on before we stick it onto the window. Once we put it on there, it's not going to be easy to take off, and then we're going to have to do too much stuff. So I'd rather mark up first where I'm going to put it, make sure everything's Gucci, and then we go from there. And before you guys want to talk about my sagging headliner, yeah, we're going to be doing this soon. If you guys want to do it for me for free, hit me up. We can do it together. I'll help you out. And that's it. I'll get everything. I'll buy the materials, and then we'll get it done. Let me know. And just in case, if you're wondering, this is how the hardwire kit for the OBD2 sensor looks like. This part goes to the OBD, connected right there in the plug pocket thing. And then this tells you the battery voltage for the car, so it don't drain your battery. And then this one connects straight to the camera, on top of the camera. So before we do anything, I already plugged the hardwire kit to the OBD2 port down there, right down here. Now we connected it to the camera. We're gonna make sure power goes through. Let me turn the car on. Car is on. Probably now it'll turn on. There you go. It's on, as you guys can see right there. If this thing's, see, it's not showing anything because all the cameras is covered front and back. So, but at least we got power, and it's already recording, as you can see. And the memory card is up here, and this little thing right here. So now that this is working, now we just gotta see where we want to put it. I think right under the mirror is Gucci, right there. All right, so we already got this part right here. This is all done. I already ran the wires through all this. They're in there now. As you can see, I ran this, the one that goes down here. I gotta tuck this up, everything down here. And this one, we have to finish running it to the back. To back there. All right, this is all tucked away, nice and neatly. Can't see nothing. All the way to the back. And then over there, we have the camera right there. You can't see nothing back there. Everything's all tucked in there. Now let's see how it looks on the camera. Let me do the honors and remove this from here. There we got rear view, front view, and the cabin. Turn it back on. There you go. You can see everything right there. So that's a wrap for today's 5-minute video. Can't make it any longer, so I had to do what I had to do. It's nothing important. It's really simple. You can get it done in less than 10 minutes if you know what you're doing, which is really easy. Just tuck everything, put it there, tuck everything away, fuki fuki, chickity dicky, ipaki paki. And that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Say cheese! Bye bye.